Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can listen to music together on Spotify. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Spotify, and you need to update Spotify application first. Once you've done that, you simply need to do is to open Spotify and you need to open any song. Click on three dots on the top right, and in the bottom you can see an option of group share or listen with friend. Because this is not a premium account, so I do not have this option. So once you have that option, you simply need to share that with your friend and you can easily enjoy music with your friend or within a group. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.